Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to disable Microsoft OneNote. Let's have a look now. Firstly, open the OneNote application on your computer. Ensure that you are signed in with the Microsoft account associated with your OneNote data. OneNote is often a part of the Microsoft Office suite. If you want to disable a specific features within OneNote, you can do this by going to the File menu, selecting Options, and adjusting the settings in the Advanced tab. This allows you to control certain functionalities without fully disabling the application. To disable OneNote completely, you can uninstall the application. On Windows, go to the Settings menu, select Apps, and find Microsoft OneNote in the list. Click on Uninstall to remove the application from your system. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.